In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Futures PNL analysis on the Binance app. Now, Binance is a powerful tool for those involved in cryptocurrency trading, and understanding how to analyze your profit and loss, or PNL, is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Whether you're using USDSM or CoinM futures, some specifics might vary depending on your app version or region. But don't worry, this guide will help you navigate the general steps, keeping you well equipped to handle any minor differences you might encounter. Let's start by opening your Binance app on your mobile device, whether it's an Android or an iOS. Once you've got that taken care of, log into your account. This is important because you need to be signed in to access the full suite of features that Binance offers. After logging in, you're going to want to find the futures trading interface. Depending on your app's menu naming, this might be labeled as futures, derivatives, or contracts. So keep an eye out for any of these variations. Tap on the relevant section to get into the heart of futures trading. Now that you're in the futures section, the next step is to look for the settings. Sometimes it can look like a gear icon, a common symbol for accessing settings on most apps. You'll typically find it within the futures trading page itself. Clicking this is like your gateway to customize and refine your futures trading experience. Inside the settings, you'll want to navigate to a section often labeled Data, or something along those lines. Here, you should see an option called PNL Analysis. Enable this option. This step is crucial because it unlocks the detailed insights into your trading performance, allowing you to monitor how well your strategies are paying off. Once you've enabled or entered PNL analysis, you'll start seeing some valuable metrics. One of the first things you'll notice is today's realized PNL. This shows you the profit or loss that you've actually finalized today, essentially the gains or losses you've locked in. You'll also have access to a gain and loss calendar. This is an incredibly useful tool as it displays your daily PNL over time in an easy-to-read calendar format. If you're curious about a specific day's performance, simply click on that date for more detailed information. It's a powerful way to track your trading history and identify patterns in your trading behavior. Lastly, you might see a breakdown by trading pair within the PNL analysis. This section is insightful because it gives you a closer look at which futures contracts are contributing most to your overall profit or loss. There you go. A comprehensive guide to accessing and understanding the Futures PNL analysis on the Binance app. Remember, keeping track of your profits and losses is essential to becoming a successful trader. Good luck and happy trading.